Today's going to be an off-road ride with a Canyon Grail, and look at this view already. We've driven up, well I've driven up to like the high peak, so we're going to go into Goyt Valley, off-road, and just going to have a fun off-road. It is chilly, but I'm going to get wrapped up. I've got my jacket on, so there's like 4 or 5 of us, so I'm going to have my chest cam on so you can kind of see the route, and it's going to be hilly. I think it's going to be about 3.5 hours, so yeah, we shall see. How nice is that view? It's misty and cold and wintry. Morning, you alright? Just round the back, yeah. Right, see you on the road, or off-road. Snow up here! This feels like learning to ride a bike. Look at it. Johnny, what are you doing to us? What is this? Okay. The camera's on, but I'll be showing that I ain't riding it. Oh God, I just wish I had the balls to do it. This is hard. This is a lot harder than I expected. I'm like stopping, I'm pushing on hills, there's like snow, it's uneven. And even Richard is like so fast, so skilled, even he's like stopping. See you back. It's Johnny, that's the one that's made us come and do this, and he's like almost on a fat bike. He's like up the sides, up the tops, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna go really steady. Alright. Right, let's head on. Now you never come along, now you never wanna follow. You listen so amazing. My God, look at this! Oh! Woohoo! I think we're going to turn back. So that's where we are. Where are we now, Richard?
This.
Does anyone know?
This is Whaley Bridge and Buxton. Yeah.
Whaley Bridge and Buxton.
Whitehall, this area is called.
Coming up some snowy, slippy ground. Johnny's an absolute pro, whereas I just have to keep stopping and pushing because I'm like, this is so sketchy. You are just like, how long have you been riding mountain bikes and stuff?
Too long.
How long?
Since I was a nipper.
How long's that?
Like 24 years.
24 years. Alright then, so I don't feel so bad that I'm just so crap at this, if there's 24 years experience, so just push it a bit more now as well. We did go up like this massive like stretch, but it was so snowy and we were like, no, we'll turn around and come back. So hopefully it's going to be a bit more road now. It's definitely given me some time to test out the Grail. Oh God, oh! Yeah, it is a lot harder when there's snow and slush on the ground, but yeah, to be honest, I think we've done some 25k and it feels like we've been out for 10 hours. So much respect for people who do cross, mountain, all that other stuff, because this is much harder than I expected it to be. Let's get on the descent now. Doesn't even need cleaning now.
No.
Thanks.
Turn it around and get the other side. It's pretty much done.
Look at this. Pro service. Parking, bike cleaning. Let's be honest about that. That was so much harder than I expected. It was just so slushy. Even Johnny, who put on the event, like put on the ride, said actually it was probably a little bit more technical than I'd hoped because of the snow and the slush. But I think we did like 30k, and it felt like 100, maybe not 100, but it felt like a long ride just because you're on and off and there's like so much more technical stuff. And I've realised I'm a bit of a wuss, but it was good to try out the Grail again to see what it can actually handle. Johnny had a go on it actually, and he just absolutely he's got no fear at all. But yeah, let me know how maybe you can help me. How do you improve doing this kind of stuff? Johnny was just saying you just need to go out and just keep riding it and just like slowly build your confidence. Whereas I think today's was probably a little bit too much maybe. But no, it was good to try something different. Although one of the descents, and I got off and I was like, God, I hate this. I really hate it. I don't hate it. In that moment, I hated it. But I think it's just being a beginner at something again when you've worked like really hard at getting better as a cyclist, and then all of a sudden you just feel like you're back to where you started again because it's like a different discipline. So yeah. The joys of off-road. So I'm going to go back now, get some food, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! I don't know what I'm doing. I was going to do that and I'm like, I never do that. So I'll just go, farewell. Goodbye.